Hello students, so welcome back to our today's class. So today's class is on question number 2 of chapter 4, expansion of unit 3 algebra. So let's start this solutions. Evaluate, we will have to evaluate. So 7 by 8x plus 4 by 5y whole square. We know this is the formula of a plus b whole square, and we know this formula is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this is the formula over it. Now we will have to solve, so expand this form. Okay, like we know that this is the formula, and now put the value of formulas. Okay, like 7 by 8x plus 4 by 5y whole square is equal to 7 by 8x whole square plus 4 by 5y whole square plus 2 into 7 by 8x plus 4 by 5, 2ab, so here is also multiply 4ab y. Now solve this one. 7 sevens are what? 49x square by 8 is the 64, so 49x square plus 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25 y square. Now again plus, and here we can write cancel out from this one to this one. 4 2 is 8 and 2 2 cancel, so 7 by 5 here is xy. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this one, so answer will be this. Okay, and similarly in question number 2 we will solve like this one. And in question number 2, this is the formulas for a minus b whole square is equal to, we know that a square plus b square minus 2ab is the formula for this one. So now we start the expanded it. 2x by 7 minus 7y by 4 whole square is equal to 2x by 7 square plus 7y by 4 square minus 2 into 2x by 7 into 7y by 4. So now 2 2s are 4 cancel, and this 2 cancel, this one cancel out. Okay, 2 2s are 4x square by 7 7s are 49 plus 7 7s are 49 y square by 4 4s are 16 minus x y. Okay, so this is the answer of this questions. Okay, now in third we will have to evaluate this one. Okay, so here is the question: a by 2b plus 2b by a whole square minus a by 2b minus 2b by a whole square. Okay, so first of all we will expand this term and next in this term, and then put the value of both in these questions and like equations. Okay, and solve it. Okay, so first of all a by 2b will be what? A plus, this is apply for a plus b whole square, and this one will be a minus b whole square. Okay, so now a plus b square, a plus b whole square will be what? So a square, here we can write it, a by 2b plus 2b by a whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a by 2b into 2b by a. Okay, and now we solve it both. Okay, so this one is closing this bracket, and this for this one a by 2b whole square plus 2b by a whole square minus 2 into a by 2b into 2b by a and minus 4. So a by 2b square will be what? A square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square plus this one cancel from each other plus 2. Okay, and again for this one, a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square minus cancel from each other, so here will be 2 and lastly 4. So now a square by 4b square and this one. Okay, so a square by 4b square plus 4b square by a square plus 2, and this minus will be product with all of this number which is in bracket, and all signs will be changed. It's mean minus a square by 4b square minus 4b square by a square and plus 2, and this one is minus 4. This one minus is not changed because this is the outside from bracket. Okay, now this one minus and plus cancel, plus minus cancel, plus 2 and plus 2 4. Okay, so 4 minus 4, this one is also cancel, so answer will be what? 0. Okay, I hope question number 2 and 3 is both evaluation number is clear, and question number 2 and 3 is clear. I hope you all got understand about these questions and solution. If you have any problem and any doubt in these equations or questions and in solution, otherwise etc., you can comment down in on this video, and I will try to solve your problem in next video. So please keep support me, and if you understand all these questions, then please like, share and subscribe my video, and also please also hit bell icon also. Okay, so thank you so much everyone.